Now that we're done debulking the neckline, we can move on to our gold FX and start to line them up. I always like to start off at the bottom of the neckline and work my way to the top arch. When near the arch area, you want to make sure you're very careful because the skin is very delicate. Also, you could raise the taper just by cutting off extra hair. Moving on to his C-cup area, I love to start off at the bottom and then work my way to the top arch. We apply some shave stick right before we use the foil shaver. I'm going back to my 1.5 guard all the way open just so I could detail because I saw a little bit of darkness that I needed to remove. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Moving on to the top, we're using our shears to make a nice and even guide line through the middle. Remember, you always want to make sure the hair is nice and damp so you could get the true length when combing them out. Right here we're using our shears to make sure the bulk is nice and blended in.